This is the Pavers Mate from Jacoda, a brilliant tool for laying base screeds. It's perfect for paths, patios, driveways or rotundas.
Attach your wear plate, which is designed to wear the plate out rather than the tool. Set on here the depth of paving that you're going to lay. Once you set the Pavers Mate on top, just simply hold in place, scrape across the top, perfect bed. You can do a couple passes, then you're ready to lay your paving.
It's perfect for use on circular paving. Once you've set your central piece, just use the tool to screed around the circle, completing the job as required. Pavers Mate really is the perfect tool